Well, no, you haven't got it finished quite yet.
Because it's really beautiful.
It looks interesting. There's one of those gauges that does all the exhaust gas temperatures, boost. I think they're good. I might get one of them.
It's a Madman.
Madman, eh?
Yeah.
Is it expensive?
Yeah.
I thought so.
But
The obligatory wood bash now.
To try to find why the truck is not faster.
Yeah.
That's why I do that, but yeah, it's expensive.
Yeah, so that's interesting, isn't it? Let's have a look around the back. You've got your awning on there. Oh, sand ladders. Need them here. Let's have a look. Oh, wow. Oh, you made, this wasn't here last time, was it?
No, that's... yeah.
Oh, you got your cooker and... Because you've got those are from South Africa, those windows, aren't they?
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah, they're good, aren't they? Because they pop
front,
out.
Front runner, yeah.
Front runner.
Exactly.
Now, you've got a clear glass in one side and
Yeah.
a metal on the other?
Yeah, this one is my cooking part, so it's...
Did it come like that, metal?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You have the choice.
Oh, that's nice.
And I put the glass one there, but if I redo it, I will not take a gull win here, only a straight glass, because I have to go outside to open it when I'm inside.
But they rattle like crazy. Those don't rattle, do they?
No, they don't.
Oh, the sliding ones.
Oh, I was not aware
Will
of
get,
that.
will get on your nerves. And at the back, we've got a shed. Is this for small children? You've got more jerry cans than Petro Canada. Because we had to take them off the roof, didn't we? Because they couldn't get in. Yeah, there's more of them down there. So that's his truck. It looks good, doesn't it? Have you had a problem with the water?
Yeah, you have water coming. Again, I think it's from here, but I still have water coming that way.
I've never seen these leak.
I don't know.
I've never seen those leak.
I think they they manually cut it and maybe over the...
I don't know. But it looks good though. All right, let's get it up. So we fit in the new drag link. It was quite difficult to tighten that nut down, wasn't it?
Yes.
So we've changed in the tie rod because the ball joints were loose, and we put one of these upgrade drag links on it. It's really a Discovery drag link of a Discovery 1, but that's it. So can you get in?
Almost.
That's good.
Yeah, that's good.
So 176 Newton meters, which was difficult, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And then tab washer bent over the nut there and up at the back. Don't just forget the one at the back because it locks it in. So the next thing now is to fit that drag link, isn't it?
Exactly.
Fit the drag link. What else have we got? I'm sweating like a pig now. We've got tie rods to put on. And is that it for the front?
Exactly.
Oh, that's not too bad. Then we're going to have a look at the back, because I think the radius bushes are not too, well, the upper A-frame bushes are not too clever. So we're going to change those. That might see us done for underneath, eh? Is that about it? Is that it for underneath? We finished underneath?
Yeah, that's the only thing, yeah.
Okay, and then we'll have a look at this engine. There's a little oil leak out somewhere. Have you greased it all up underneath?
Yeah.
That's all done, eh? Okay, well, there's not
The
much.
prop shaft also, all greased every 3 months, I think.
Oh, you're obsessed.
Yes.
Some people don't do it every 3 years. Yeah.
With my oil change.
All right, well, that's it. Well, we might as well make the most of it while it's up in the air so we can have a good look around it. All right, let's get this on and see what it looks like. Gwen Lewis, yeah?
Gwen Lewis for
He's done well out of you, hasn't he? I bet he's got a yacht in the Caribbean.
Yeah,
you know.
a couple of my paycheck.
Yeah, that's right, that's right. Kept the British economy going. Anyway, listen, so we've got the stainless steel drag and steering tie rod all together now. New ball joints, correctly set the shock. So you turn your steering to one length and then back to the other, and you find out where the end is, but that's practically where it wants to be. We've greased them up, and that's about it. So to find out the centres, we sort of just lined up the pin and that pin, you know, off the old one, didn't we? And the rear one, because it already had grease nipples in it, we just lined the grease nipples to grease nipples. But one thing you need to know that I don't think they tell you is that the lock nut and the flats on here, that's what was that? Was I say? That's 24mm, and that's 27. So if you haven't got those keys, you're going to be kind of screwed. So there's something else to take on your trip, because it's not a common size, is it?
The standard one is not that size?
No.
Okay.
It's got a little clamp that goes around the tube. It's a split tube.
Exactly.
So I think that's it. You're going to leave the shield off for now, aren't you?
Yeah.
Is that bent?
Nope.
Is that how it's supposed to be?
Yeah.
Dear me.
Yeah, it was always like that.
Okay. So what's next?
Bushing from the top A-frame. And
Have you had that out before?
when I rebuilt the truck 3 years ago.
But did you take the, you know, the big long... Let's go around the back and we'll point to the viewer. Here we are at the back. Did you ever take these bolts out here? Please say yes.
After the installation, I don't remember. I don't think so.
Because if them bolts are seized in there...
I have bolt replacement.
Yeah, well, it's all right, but it's getting the old ones out. If we can't get that out, because we want to replace the bushing here, so the easiest way to do it, instead of taking that big bolt out there, because you can't get to it, is take these... Oh, look at that!
Boy.
Look at that, Steph, look at that!
That's making the noise, probably.
That's probably making the noise.
Is this the only one? Oh,
looks like it. We're going to call you finger tight, Stéphane. I bet you that's it.
Oh, God.
Bolts have come loose.
Why? Oh, boy.
Because you haven't tied them up.
Yeah, they was torque for sure.
Yeah, well...
Aye, aye, aye.
Well, there you go.
Okay,
so
we have an explanation for some noise.
So I'll tell you what. Where did this truck come from originally?
Georgia, and imported by
Georgia.
Steve.
Oh, you got it from Prancing Horse?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Because what the strangest thing with this is, it's got a 90 axle on the back, but it's registered as a 90, isn't it?
The VIN, yeah.
The VIN's
yeah.
The VIN's a 90. But why it's got that axle on, I don't know. Off a 90. And it's got the solid axle shafts in it as well, so it is a 90 axle. Because, what year is this one supposed to be? It's a 300 TDI.
Yeah, 2001. The rest of the world.
Oh, it's ROW. Oh, that's it. That explains why it's got the dash in.
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't know the ROWs put these in. They must have been short of axles. Because they switched from TD5, they switched from the Salisbury to the Rover axle.
Okay.
Oh, what a nightmare they were, because you never knew what car was coming in for brakes and stuff.
But you know, the body was a 2000 Defender with another VIN. So
was it? Oh, you had two VINs?
Yeah.
Well, did you have to register them both?
No. I'd make it disappear, the second one.
Could have sold it.
Yeah.
Some Americans would have bought it. So what we're going to do, I'll tell you what we'll do, Stéphane. You say you've got the bushes for here?
Yes.
All right. Let's see if we can get these bolts out. All right. If them bolts come out, it's easy straight, because we can just take those 3 bolts out. Well, one's already out. And then drop those arms out and do it in the press. If not, we've got to take that nut off here and split that. And that's a bit naughty, but it's better with 2 of us, because putting these in on your own is a bitch of a job, especially under the car. You know. Anyway, so let's get on with that then, eh? So they're actually inch sizes as well. That's 3/4 of an inch. That nut. It's not metric. I don't know why they messed about with it, because these bolts. What is it, 5/8? It's so much stupid. All right, let's do that. What's this here? Oh, that's broke off.
Oh, that's another thing.
That's another $100 job. That one. Yeah, I noticed it's snapped off. Look. Yeah, see, it should be there. Is that on it? Oh, you've got a diff guard on it, though, eh?
Yeah.
So that's the diff guard.
That's the diff guard. Exactly.
Oh well, that's not too bad then, is it? Yeah, another accessory.
I don't understand why they feel like that. But wow. Okay.
Poor, isn't it? I'll tell you what, we'll take it off.
Yeah.
We'll weld it up. It's not too bad. We won't weld it in place, because there's a good chance we'll weld the nut on and you'll never get it off.
We don't want
We
that.
don't want that. All right, so let's hammer away. So we got the bolts out. Fortunately, Stéphane put thread guard on. But what's the bad news? That's your clunking. You're getting it all loose.
Oh gosh.
We'll take them out, we'll put bushings in. This is okay. There's nothing wrong with that one. But that's really bad, isn't it? Yeah, so these do take a lot. I always thought that the bolts holding these on were just pathetic. Considering they put this great big F-off bolt up here and then and it off with 10mm bolts. Crazy, isn't it? I don't know what they were thinking. I think on the Disco chassis, the bracket was welded. They didn't do this. It was welded to the frame. A lot better. I don't know why they... You know, they never learn, do they? They just keep doing on and on and on, same old mistakes. Right, well, they won't take much getting off, will they? Let's get them off and get some bushes in. So what did we find out about this ball joint, Stéphane?
You have a plate up and down.
It's not much, is it?
I'll see.
It's a bit though, isn't it?
It's half millimeter, maybe more.
Replace it while we're here.
Yeah.
You know those chaps in England who sell cars and bodge them up? You know, those English people. Not like me, because I'm Canadian now.
Exactly.
What they do is, you see the cover at the top, they smash them with a hammer.
Oh no.
And it nips up the nylon cups inside, so they'll get through a test, but as soon as you drive them out after a couple of miles, they'll go back to normal again.
Exactly.
I don't know who told me that trick. Oh! Right, you get that out.
Yeah.
I'll take those out, I'll get those nuts off those arms. So here we are at the end of the day. What did we get done?
We did all the steering parts, front steering part for the track rod and steering rod, the drop arm conversion for
That was
window
good,
width.
wasn't it?
Yeah, that was really nice. After that, the A-frame bushing, and we now torque
the A-frame joint as well.
Yeah, the A-frame
That.
joint, the ball joint of the A-frame.
And we tightened up the bolts.
Yeah, that's important. And also we checked the manifold gasket,
That was
and
broken.
it was broken. So we changed the manifold gasket.
The wheels were good. The wheels and bearings were good.
Yeah, wheel bearings good. The road test will.
We did a road testing, but we've decided that we'd be barking up the wrong tree if we started messing about with the engine. I think it's good.
Yeah.
It looks good, but
Everything's clean inside.
yeah. I think that was about it, wasn't it? It's very easy to say, but it's been quite a long job. Oh, we repaired the steering guard, the
diff guard.
The diff guard. We welded that back up because it was
Exactly.
broken. So that the stopper rattle. What else? I think that was it. Wasn't it?
Yeah, I think that's it.
What time's it now? It's 4:20. We started at 8:30. I had a dinner break, and that was it. It drags on, doesn't it?
Yeah, hard day.
It was a hard day's night.
Well, I'm pretty confident now.
No, we did a good. Like I say, it's surprising how you can rattle on and do a job in a day if you have a list.
Exactly.
Because I've had some people come down and want jobs doing, and then they say, "Oh, can we do this?" And if I've got it in my mind what we're doing, because I looked at that list you sent me,
Yeah.
and I thought, "Oh, okay, we can do that."
It's a big list, but we do
It's a big list.
the most important.
It's a big list if we do everything in one area, like all the
Exactly.
steering and all the back end, instead of running backwards, looking at the list and going, "Oh, great,
Yeah.
we haven't got that done." But we did it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's. So what's the next thing?
I will change all my oil, drop everything.
Why didn't you change it when it was on a bloody hoist?
We were we
Busy.
did we were busy for other stuff. So
The ideal opportunity to change it. You should have said. I didn't know.
yeah,
No, well, no,
But
that's easy enough.
yeah, and it's not critical.
So when you go on your expedition, you're going to watch our future video and see what tools you should take with you.
Yeah, I will make some stuff. I should bring that one and that part.
There was some crazy stuff. There was some crazy stuff written down, but there was some good stuff.
Yeah, we'll watch that. Yeah,
First aid kit, forgot that.
yeah I think I have the good first aid kit already.
Yeah, that's right. And some of the bits and pieces are really good. But we'll finish that maybe next week or two. We'll let people run that video through and get some more suggestions. But yeah, that's it. So it's home time, eh?
Yeah.
Great stuff.
Thanks, Mike.
Hey, no problem.
Yeah.
What a guy! This is the sort of Land Rover owner you want. Somebody who's practical.
Thank you.
It takes a little bit of time though, doesn't it? It takes time to work it out.
It takes time, yeah.
Yeah.
But now I'm pretty confident with a lot of stuff.
Yeah, no, that's right. That's right. Apart from tightening nuts and bolts.
That's a shame.
See ya.